Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and Her Sister Fox, chapter 20. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story, UNC. Since she came back, right now she's been busy, but she take a little rest so she can able to think on what's happening on the fast. Right now, she seems to be serious. It seems that one of her shoulder get injured. Well, it must really painful. Looking at her, she looks really serious. Also, she feel the pain when the injured shoulder hit something on the bathroom. Now, she was hissing, little piece. Well, of course, she was rushing to be able to get out on that villa. Maybe she really get hurt. Right now, he used me as a molar. Although this injury is nothing compared to the previous one. Well, she was enduring the pain right now. Also, she really get mad. The fuss, when Min Meow Ming was here, she would treat my wounds and comfort me. So when I was wondering, I always thought maybe she actually loved me. Well, this is not the thing. It turns out Min Meow Ming only wants her as a little sister. Romantic feelings can be done. But later, she was really assuming, and it was. Hey kid, why don't you tell me about your mother? Well, mom, my mother told me that she loves you very much. Oh, this is it. Maybe that's why Minjun loves her also. The feelings of Min Meow Min, telling her story. That's why, sister, I love you too. It went well. Mother's love and turns to daughter's love. Now, the daughter is really entangled toward her. I have had such a simple and clear love. Therefore, even Xiaojun did these excessive things in me. There is nothing I can do to blame her. Well, right now, at least, she is accepting the fact that Xiaojun really loves her. The worst case scenario is to ask your boss to leave here. That's it. Well, definitely, she was right. What about her work? Also, Minjun will not really feel at ease when she really bring her to the small room like this. Excuse me, is UNC at home? Are you there? Here, who is it? Hi, we meet again. Do you still remember who I am? Who are you? Are you a raccoon orc? Oh, is this the girl who has a crush on Minjun? Why suddenly she comes here? Hey, I know you. I forget to introduce myself again. Ang Shizin, the specially hired medical examiner, the security base. Oh, it turns like this. But will be this the doctor that she's pertaining. Ah, hello, Dr. Tan. Now, finally, she clearly remember her. Now, she seems to be puzzled. Why suddenly the doctors knows this? He remembered, if older young people want to be single, they have to cast wide net to catch a many possible fish. It's possible there will always someone who suits you. Oh, she remembered before, but as per shown picture, when I found out that the guy not only helped me and chat secretly but also made a date for me without permission, I have no chance but to punish him off. Appointment spending is awkward time. It turns out this doctor is a date for her. Ah, actually, I came into contact with some things during these periods. I also want to help you to help me check it out. Well, right now, you're saying someone's gave you some kind of blocker medicines when you are in heat. But as far as I know, this medicine's been listed forbidden medicines for a long time ago. Because some of the substance contained in it had impact on the hormone secretions of the orcs and other aspects in severe cases may cause permanent damage to the orcs' bodies, such as here. Now, she's been trying hard. Suddenly, Minjun has this kind of medicine and why she gave it to her. Side effect of turning orcs into the mindless puppets sounds exactly like what you just said. Now, she's been curious. Well, is Minjun is really trying to possess her, like to tame her so she can able to control her? Seems like this. Yes, it's like being sealed in a paper box but unable to perceive any changes outside the world without sadness or joy and isolated from the world. Oh, this thing. this might be cruel, but don't worry too much just now. Well, maybe their medicine was really rare, but right now the doctor seems to this throw these two tubes of blood. Go back to find someone to study it. I will come back to you the results are available. The color of the blood is very red. It's not a big problem. Now the doctor said to UNC, you should have good rest. If your boss insists on forcing you to work, I will give you leave note and give her sister's warning. Now, UNC said, okay, know that the back of the neck of the carnivorous orcs is very sensitive place. It seems that you are not willing to lower your head and let others touch it. UNC, she understands everything. Now she said, thank you. Finally, she knows a little on what things happening to her. What moderations, it's better to call the boss as soon as possible and apply leave once. It seems that she was really decided, but right now, looking at it, this time the boss will playing mahjong with a group of women again. Oh, it turns out, she really knows her boss well. That's why she know her whereabouts. But right now, looking at it, UNC, ha ha ha, two cakes. Sweetie, take a call. Hello? You're bad. Let it go. Well, right now, who is the person's calling her? Well, it really seems that, boss, I want to go on a business trip. What business trip? You're not allowed. You are the ace of our security team. Now, UNC, maybe Sivai can take a big job. Now, she seems to be nervous. They're to investigate the Jian family in Huanxi. Privately, that old fox the Jian family has already found me and it's here to investigate. Hurry up and tell that Sibai's puppy to stop. Once the Jian family is not something he can control. Water is deep and he might be drowned without even knowing it. Once the Jian family, the boss is actually afraid of them. Right now, sure enough, we must find a way to leave this place of right and wrong as soon as possible. Once he said, oh, alright. Well, finally agreement has been made. Now, looking at it, seems that his boss, in order to deal with that old fox, signed several contracts. Now, is she really afraid of the Jian family because of their wealthiness? Well, maybe it is. Don't pretend to be dead with me. Fancy, Jian's family is going to hold a party in a few days and I leave it to you. Take in charge of the security there. Oh, what a fool. Now, the boss seems to be happy. You have to come and sleep with me tonight. Well, her boss seems to be. Right now, she want to be. Mischievous player, terms in macho. It seems that next episode will be better. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!